Welcome back into the workshop, and for another Dave's Diary update, hard on the heels of the previous one, I have gone ahead and swapped out the PVC junctions to 45s rather than 90s. They're in their new location, hopefully. And as I hypothesized, I was correct. It didn't make a great deal of difference. How much? I don't know. Is there improvement? I don't really know. And I don't know, well, I don't know a lot, no, but I don't know whether even a stronger extractor would eradicate the problem of the turbulence created at a junction, the input of a tube into the main duct line. So yes, I've got a little bit of chip building up upstream against the natural inclination of chip in an airstream, you would think. So, not good at all. Not very impressed. It is what it is. And as the reason I'm saying I don't think even a better extractor would solve this particular issue, it's not a problem, it's just an issue, is when I have the machine running and I block this port off, directing 100% of the airflow to this one, it doesn't draw that chip away because of the turbulence there, and it sends it upstream a little bit. Now, if I opened up one of the other areas of the ducting, will it go past and drag it with it? And the answer is not previously. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the extractor on. It's not all that noisy, and I won't be right next to it, so we can talk. And I reach in and turn it on. I will take one of the ports here so that we've got a airstream. Let's get a bit of a wiggle. I banged it on before, so that probably wasn't a good idea. Let's take this end one off. It'll come. Right. Now I've got air flowing right through the main line of the ducting, and the chip's still down the bottom there, so the air going past isn't, it's not going in the direction, or look there, a bit was started to get extracted. So there's the chip, as you can see, and I can hear it going into the dust collector. Chip is still down there, not all of it, it has moved it a little bit. I'll just make a little bit of an opening there. Chip's still there. And that's what I was saying in the previous videos, that conventional wisdom is this is the better way of going. While it's running, I'll just poke my eye along the pipe there. There's not much chip there, but there wasn't to begin with anyway. I just dribbled a bit into the duct here. I suppose the outcome of this is, it is what it is. And as I said, even before, when it was building up, it wasn't a problem, it's just an issue. And I'm wondering whether that is normal. Not knowing, I see the issue and perhaps think it is a problem. So, I don't know. It's a wee bit disappointing. Let's just do that. Let's see whether I can block this one off and get it to extract. Let's have a look. No, it's still sitting there. So you can see in real time what I'm talking about. Not much, but enough. So yeah, it's a bit disappointing. All we ever really want is the problem to go away, or even a potential problem to go away. Let me go turn it off. No sense running it. I just have to reach into the button. Yeah, so Sometimes we'll do things and get a good outcome. Sometimes not so much. This is a not so much situation. It can't be worse. It simply can't. And if I'm applying sound logic or sound or experiences that have been found to be true, then I can't be doing the wrong thing. Do I solve it? Obviously not. But I can only do what I can do. I'm going to leave it like that. It's not worth worrying about any. Well, I wasn't really worried about it. I was just hoping that I could have resolved the problem, be it perceived or actually real. Well, I just have to move on, don't I? And see what happens when I get the new extractor. So, yeah. Point, I suppose, for this particular Dave's Diary entry is you've just learnt something as well. Not everything goes to plan, and conventional wisdom. Perhaps I've misunderstood or underappreciated the fact that this happens on all junctions here, but didn't think it did. From what I've seen in other videos. So, well, but just what happens at times. Rightio, well that's it. I'm going to wander off, put the, I might even do a wee bit of a tidy up here, and push it all back together and hook some tubes up so that I don't get this mess. I just cut the PVC pipe before, and that stuff goes everywhere, as we know. So, yeah. Oh, well. Rightio, that's it. Wander off, leave you alone, and I will see you in the next one. Okay. Bye now.